Here's a quick tutorial on how to delete your Twitter account. First, you'll want to open your Twitter app. Once in the Twitter app, tap the profile icon on the top left part of your screen. On the drop-down menu, tap Settings and Support. Tap the Settings and Privacy under the Settings and Support option. Once in the settings, tap Your Account and tap Deactivate Your Account. Twitter will explain what will happen upon deactivating your account, and it also states that your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Tap Deactivate. You'll be prompted to type your password. Once you tap your password, tap Deactivate and your account will now be deactivated and will be deleted after 30 days. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you were able to delete your Twitter account without any problems. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.